So walking from the Zone 11 terminus at Dublin Airport towards the OCS desk in Terminal 1. So sweeping the cane left and right. Zone 11 was the terminus for the 19 and the 24 Dublin bus routes. So again, sweeping the cane left and right over the accessible bus stop curb on the right hand side. Saves me walking into the railing and other obstacles on the left. So again, sweeping the cane left and right. The shelter on the left hand side. You can hear the acoustics. And again, sweeping the cane left and right over the accessible bus stop curb. That now seems to end. There's a metal thing. Now, I wonder where the crossing point is. Oh, here it is. Here's the tactile. Underfoot, so I'm going to wave crossing the crossing. That brings us into the atrium. Now, here's an entrance matwell. So we're inside now. So again, sweeping the cane left and right. And we should be out of the atrium shortly. Now, still in the atrium, sweeping the cane left and right, and there's a matwell underfoot, so we're nearly outside. So again, outside nearly, you can feel the cool air. Sweeping the cane left and right, it's tactile underfoot. Now there's a crossing here, press the button, wait for it to change. Only a second now. It's an Aldridge push button unit on the left, pulse arrow. Hopefully it should change shortly. No, yep. There's the buzzer, it's safe to cross. It's a raised crossing. Tactile on the opposite side, the width of the path. We've another matwell. And let's see where we are here. Walk forward. Is there an automatic door or a manual door? Yeah, the door has just opened. So let's see where the wall is. Yeah. So we'll just walk straight down. So this to the lift upstairs. So I took a right when I came in the entrance matwell there. This is the arrivals, Terminal 1 Dublin Airport. Again, sweeping the cane left and right. There's no underfoot wayfinding to the stairs or the lift. Got something ahead of me there. So sweeping the cane left and right. You feel more cool air. Somebody's ahead of me, so I'll keep going. So there's another door there. Now, so I can feel tiles and wood. Another tap rail, tiles, wood. That's a metal little thing. And you know, from that it's a dead end if I walk straight ahead. Another tap rail, the door, another tap rail, and the lifts are over here on the right. Press the button to go upstairs. Oh, there's been a lift beside me already. So press the what? Has it opened? I hear a lift. Going up. Okay. So it says it's going up, so there's nothing. So there's no raised letters or braille, although it is going up, so that's good. Don't have to worry about which floor then.
Mezzanine.
Mezzanine. Mezzanine, so go out here straight ahead. No, oh, the mezzanine, no, that's not it. I need to go to departures actually. Oh, I'm too late. Let's go back in again. It's not mezzanine. I can hear a lift on the left. I'll go back in again. So, departures I need to go to.
Doors closing. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
So it's going down.
Arrivals.
No, I want departures. I'm in the lift, and how do we get out? Samantha, maybe that's it.
Doors opening.
Oh, I think this is where I went into, so.
Okay.
Yeah, heading upstairs for departures, yeah.
Yes, that's it.
I don't know which one is which though, yeah.
Wait till I see. This one is a
D, yeah.
D, yeah. Thanks for looking after us today. Thank you.
Doors closing. Departures.
Oh, yeah, good stuff, thank you.
Doors opening.
Yeah, all good. So we're at departures now. So I'll go to the left here a little bit. Oh yeah, I think we're all good now. Thank you. I'm going for assistance up over here. Yeah. Now, so sweep the cane left and right. Metal studs. If we go straight ahead here, the tap rail, and that's for assistance.